Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to edit text in PDFFiller. So if you have placed a text box on the document using PDFFiller tools, let's say like that, as you can see here. So I will put test that we see it here. Alright, now I will just move it a little bit. Now what we need to do is basically just double click in this text box, and now we can basically change the text and what we want out of it. Now we can change the color as well, like that. And yeah, this is pretty much how you can do it. Now if you already see some text in your file, we basically obviously can edit also. It's again just double click on it, and now as you can see we can change how we like it. So we can change the size, we can change here the underlined, bold, italic. So this one is probably not the right font for it, but doesn't matter now. So as you can see, we can play with this text here as we want. So yeah, this is pretty much what you can do. Also, you can uh, change here. As you can see, you can write in already added boxes in this. So if I go to the, let's say, to the previous page right here, if I select here at the top the text tool, now I also can edit at this one, so I can change font, let's say to this one, and change the color again. And yeah, this is basically it. Here at the right side you will see text options, so you can change it to the heading however you like. Then we have, as I mentioned, font and sizes, colors, alignment, list, and so on. We can also adjust line spacing, letter spacing, horizontal spacing, paragraph spacing, and so on. And yeah, this is pretty much it what you can do with the text here in PDFFiller. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next